Yung nasabi mo nga, yung vision, paano ka magbenta ng vision sa tao?
I just sell love. 'Di ba? Parang people don't care how much you know unless they know how much you care. So it's always like that when you are dealing with leadership. There's really no perfect leadership kasi if sasabihin mo na ito dapat yung leader ito. Parang there's no perfect leadership but there's always a perfect intention to a person. Pag yun naramdaman ng kausap mo, ng leader mo, definitely they will stick to you eh.
So, pag sinasabi mo, isa ba sa importante na sa leader yung intention?
Heart talaga, of course. That should be the foundation. Kasi kahit ang leader, sabihin natin na hindi ka pa naman ganun kagaling na leader. But if people will feel saan kayo papunta, anong intention mo sa kanya, gusto mo siyang isama, yumaman kayong dalawa.
So, ibig sabihin, napadikit siya sa'yo kasi alam niya na may mangyari sa buhay niya.
Yes, that's it.
Oh.